Hey, class of 2020 Palm Beach County, I'm Shannon Cake with WPTV News Channel 5, and I am so honored to have just a moment to say thank you to all of you out there. What an inspiration you have been to the rest of us. You probably didn't even know that, but you have been. We've walked through some pretty difficult times in the last 10, 12 weeks here together, and your celebrations and the outside the box approach you have taken to virtual celebrations and celebrating anyway in all kinds of unique ways has been really uplifting and an inspiration to all of us. So thank you for that, for your strength. What I know for sure is when you go through a really difficult time and you come out the other side, you are 10 times stronger for sure. And so what I know about the class of 2020 is you guys are really tough and strong. And so I, for one, am optimistic about the future of our world with all of you at the helm. So congratulations, good luck, and go out there and blaze a trail. We know you can.